We did the morning class so was able to go check out the local market and got different curries and herbs explained to us, and we had time to shop. The prices are cheaper there than anywhere we saw. The food we made was really yummy and good portions. We loved the fried banana and mango sticky rice. Great tour. They picked us up and dropped us off at the hotel. We were taken to a beautiful market and shown all the local ingredients, which was an amazing experience in itself. The cooking school is so nice and organized. They teach you to make a 4-course meal of your choosing. I made 4 things and so did my husband, so together we learned 8 different Thai dishes. We were given a code to view all the recipes online for later. Teachers are so friendly and knowledgeable. They had all our ingredients beautifully prepared for us. We had step-by-step instruction to prepare our dishes. We sat down to a huge feast. They even gave us takeaway containers. Highly recommend. Very friendly instructor and good market tour. Cooking process was fast and easy. Maybe some more detailed explanations on the dishes and their compositions, as well as the opportunity to make the curry pastes by oneself, would have been great. Besides this, there is absolutely nothing to change. Great location, too. It's located right next to a cafe and a massage spa. Our instructor kindly helped us book an appointment there and we got to relax after the class. Smile. Highly recommend. My daughter's 12, 8, 6, and I took the class and it was fantastic. The market tour was very informative and our chef was very knowledgeable. She helped my girls prepare their meal when they needed a little help. The food was fantastic and you get access to all the recipes in the end, so you can cook them again and again once you return home. Would take the class again in a heartbeat. Favor and her partners were awesome. The market tour and the cooking class was so authentic and well done. We loved every minute, so nice and well organized. It was a great experience. We really love Thai food and now we know how to cook it. Smile. Lovely staff that really gives special treatment to each person. We recommend. My wife and mother really enjoyed the experience. They recreated the foods back home, and it was absolutely delicious. One day before departure, I didn't receive any notification about what time I would board the bus, so I sent an email and finally left my WhatsApp phone number for him to contact me. After communication, the store promised to take us to our next destination, not back to the hotel. When we arrived at the market, they explained it very carefully and helped us choose a lot of Thai snacks. We also bought 2 very sweet mangoes at the market. When we arrived at the classroom, the staff had already prepared all the ingredients, and after cooking, food boxes were prepared for us to take away. There are no other itineraries to try. Although the driver was late, he called the hotel to inform us. After getting on the bus, we went to the local market to introduce the ingredients, which was very interesting. There were 6 people participating in the event that day, and 2 instructors guided each person to cook 3 dishes and 1 dessert. You can taste the food you cooked immediately after cooking. It is very delicious. If you can't finish it, you can pack it up and take it away. Incredible experience. I really love the morning market tour and our guide was attentive and knowledgeable. She explained all the different types of vegetables to us, and during the class, we were able to hand make our own coconut cream plus coconut milk by using the coconut shavings. The class was small, which actually preferred and easy to follow. Food was delicious. A must-try if you're visiting Thailand. It was such a fantastic and fun cooking class. Transport was included, so a driver from the cooking school picked us up from our villa and took us to the wet market to meet with our cooking instructor. We were asked to decide on the dishes we wanted to prepare, an entree, soup, main and dessert. Our cooking instructor took us on a market tour, introducing the ingredients we'd use for our dishes. We headed back to the cooking school together and started cooking. It was so fun to do this with my family. It was a great bonding activity. I highly recommend this. It was so much fun. The instructor is good at explaining. The food turned out so good. Thanks to Poi, we had an amazing time.